Prepare the pothole by removing all loose material and creating a clean, hard edge for the repair to bond to. Start by knocking out loose gravel and broken tarmac until you hit firm material, using a cold chisel and hammer or a masonry bit in a rotary hammer if the pothole is stubborn. Aim to square the sides so the patch has full contact with solid existing surface rather than feathered, thin edges. Clear all debris and dust with a stiff broom, then follow with a hand brush or a leaf blower to remove fine particles that prevent proper adhesion. If the base is soft or has standing water, dig down to reach compacted subbase and compact with a hand tamper or plate compactor until it feels solid underfoot. For better bonding, apply a thin coat of asphalt primer or cold tar sealant to the vertical faces and base and let it tack up so it is sticky but not wet. Finally, dry sweep the hole once more to remove any reworked dust before laying the cold lay tarmac. Common mistakes include leaving loose material in the hole, which leads to the patch crumbling. Fix this by scrubbing and chiseling until only firm substrate remains and then sweep thoroughly. Another error is not creating a firm edge so the new material can lift at the perimeter. Cut straight vertical edges with a saw or chisel and compact the edges before applying sealant. A third issue is trapping moisture or dust under the patch, which prevents bonding. Avoid this by allowing any wet areas to dry, using a towel or blower to remove moisture, and by applying a primer or sealant that displaces residual dust and provides a tacky surface for the cold tarmac. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and offers a place where we and our community can share real-world repair tips like these for driveway potholes. We also help contractors find work and engage in our discussion community where members compare methods, materials, and tools.